Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is coconut shrimp. Coconut shrimp is a super fun and easy shrimp dish that is just absolutely delicious in the summertime, and it's really, really easy to make. Most importantly, coconut is not too high in carb, and this is a low carb version of the typical coconut shrimp that you would see if you get Thai food or something like that. So let's jump right in. First thing I'm going to do is I'm going to season my shrimp. I'm gonna do a little bit of olive oil, just a tad. We're gonna add a little bit of salt, a little bit of black pepper, and chili powder if you want it to be slightly spicy. Let's mix all of this together. And we're gonna let this marinate for just about a minute or two while we prep for the battering. For the batter, what you're going to do is take some coconut flour and put it in a larger bowl. I'm gonna also take some organic shredded coconut. This is dried coconut and it is unsweetened. Make sure that you are purchasing unsweetened coconut flakes. And we're also gonna take 2 eggs and crack them into this bowl. Take a small fork and beat the eggs. And to the eggs, we're going to add a pinch of salt. Some salt, some of that black pepper again, and a little bit of chili powder. To batter, you wanna make sure that you have a wet and a dry hand. I'm gonna take my marinated shrimp. We're gonna throw it into the coconut flour. Shake off the excess, put it into our egg wash. And I'm gonna use the other hand to get the egg wash coated all over our shrimp. Shake off the excess and then throw it into your shredded coconut. With the dry hand, take the coconut flakes and coat it all over the shrimp. And then once it's coated, set it aside and do that for all the shrimp. If you haven't already subscribed to my channel, make sure to hit that subscribe button down below and also like this video. Also, if you know anyone who loves shrimp or coconut shrimp, Thai food, make sure to share this video with them. Before we cook the shrimp, we're gonna cook our rice. You guys have seen me use this rice before. I really like the Miracle Noodle rice. I will link it down on my Amazon links in the description below if you want to purchase this. I'm not sponsored by the company, but I just think it is the closest that I've tried to regular white rice, and it doesn't have any weird aftertaste. I'm heating a nonstick pan on medium-low heat, and I'm gonna take some coconut oil because I really wanna enhance the coconut flavor. If you don't like coconut oil or you don't have it, avocado oil will be fine as well. I'm gonna take some of my coconut oil and melt it in my nonstick pan. And once my coconut oil is melted, I'm gonna take the white rice and we're gonna put it in the pan. This is going to help dry out the rice as well as absorb that coconut oil flavor. Now, before I put it in the pan, I did take it out of the packaging and rinse it under cold water. I'm gonna increase the temperature just a little bit. It'll be like just under medium heat. We're just gonna let this cook for a couple of minutes for it to dry out a little bit and absorb that coconut flavor. I'm gonna season the rice with some salt and continue stirring. Again, I just wanna let basically majority of the moisture come out of the rice. After about 5 minutes, your rice will be ready. You can turn off the heat and set it aside so that we can work on cooking our shrimp. I'm heating my pan again on medium heat, and I'm gonna take some avocado oil now for frying, or you can use whatever kind of oil that you prefer for frying, whatever you have at home. I would just suggest something that has a mild flavor. So like a vegetable oil, like avocado oil would be the best choice. Once your oil is nice and hot, you're gonna take some tongs and carefully place your coconut shrimp in the pan. We're gonna let our shrimp fry on the first side for about 1 minute. After 1 minute, you're going to flip the shrimp. So we're gonna take it and flip it over and cook it on the other side for about a minute. Our shrimp are finished. They are golden brown on both sides. I'm gonna take them off and let it strain the oil, and then we're ready to plate. For our coconut shrimp, let's make a simple sauce. I'm gonna take some mayo. And some chili crisp. I like to use this brand of chili crisp. I just find it at Giant or Safeway, whatever your local grocery store is. And I like to get the mild spiciness. I'll put that into the mayo. And a squeeze of lime juice. We're just going to mix that all together. I'll make sure to put the measurements down in the description below. And here we have our delicious coconut shrimp. I'm gonna take some of that sauce that we made and put it on top of the shrimp. Just like that. And of course, I love to serve it on the side so I can dip some extra as well. But there you have it, a really easy summer dish, coconut shrimp, completely low carb and keto friendly, and most importantly, delicious. You guys are gonna love this one. Cheers. That is super delicious, even better than when you go out and get takeout or you eat this at a restaurant, because you made it right at home and you made it macro friendly for your diet. Thank you all so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to my channel. Also hit that notification bell to never miss a tasty upload. Till next time.